How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. You will land to the chat section. Now, the very first thing you want to do is head towards the conversation. Open it. You'll get this kind of pop-up end-to-end encrypted. Now, how to remove this? For that, click on the username of the person. With that, different options will appear. Scroll down. You'll see the option of restrict. Click on it. Restricting will move the chat out of sight and hide their activity. Click on restrict. Once you restrict this conversation, the end-to-end encryption will be ended. They can't see when you are online or when you have read their message. Likewise, heading towards next solution, click on 3 bars given at the top left corner. Click on the settings icon. Over here, you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of privacy and safety. Now head towards this option of end-to-end encrypted chats. Click on the option of security alerts. Click on the option manage security alerts. Toggle off for both these options. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Now heading towards very last solution, what you can do is delete the entire conversation. For that, head towards the chat section. Now you have to long press on the conversation. Click on the option of delete. Click on delete. With that, end-to-end encryption will be removed. So these are the ways to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.